Good morning. Well, I got the track rod end changed. I managed to do it at the industrial estate where I bought the part. That stopped a lot of the wobbling, but the alignment is very, very out. You try finding a place around here to do it. I've tried everywhere. No one can take a commercial vehicle. It's too big, apparently. So I'm going to have to live with it. It's still a bit wobbly. It's still pulling to the right, but that's just the nature of the beast. Once you've changed parts, you have to get them aligned properly. So I'm heading over to Weymouth and Portland, see if I get any more luck over that way, because there'll be a few more garages about. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the other track rod end as well, because I'm not sure how old that is. Might as well do them as a pair, then get the tracking done. So I'm heading over to Euro Car Parts to get another one. It's, I suppose I'm lucky really. We're in Gravesend. I knew lots of people with lots of garages. Everyone always accommodated me, but when you're on the road, it's trying to fit into their schedule. I mean, I need a puncture repair done today as well. I've got a puncture on my front tyre, got a nail in it. Garage I've just been to said they're too busy, so they couldn't do it. So try and find somewhere in Portland, because every morning I'm getting up and the tyre's flat. So yeah, pain in the neck, pain in the neck. Let's not go to Halfords and get the tyre repair kit thing that you do it yourself. But I shall see. Anyway, we're going up the coast road. A huge sea mist up here, can't see a thing. Really thick. Over to the right is Chesil Beach, but can't see a thing. Really bad on the eyes as well. Beautiful little village of Abbotsbury. My kind of ice cream coming up on the right there. Look at that. Woo! That's a big one. Oh, that sea mist is bad. Really bad. Clear down here in the village, but going up across the cliffs, it is really bad. Still, we're getting there, slow but sure. Lucky that I know the road quite well and the landmarks anyway, so I know what's coming up, because you can't see the bends, the dips or anything today. So I've driven that road many, many times. And there we have it. Nice bit of breakfast.